today I'm going to show you how to make some funny noises. Wait. And let's start off with this. This is a bit complicated. So this, squash your lips together and just blow. It's like blowing the trumpet. This is like a duck sound. This, you just make this. This is just a plastic cup. Tie a knot at the end of the string and tie it on here and slightly wet the string. Pull it down so it makes a sound. The ruler, wooden ruler, put it at a table or a chair. Just fling it down. Okay. So these. Here you can see the strange thing. I just threaded the string through here and it looks very strange. Hanging it down like this looks like magic, and this looks like a flashlight. There's no glue, but the cup stays here because of the string. Pretty strange. Okay.